Hello kids, today we will learn alphabets. A for apple, A for ant, B for ball, and B for bus. C for cat, and C for car. D for dog, and D for drum. E for elephant, and E for egg. F for fish, and F for frog. G for goat, and G for grass. H for hen, and H for house. I for ice cream, and I for igloo. J for juice, and J for jelly. K for kangaroo, K for kangaroo, and K for kite. L for lollipop, and L for lion. M for mango, and M for monkey. N for nest, N for notebook. O for orange, O for orange, and O for owl. P for parrot, and P for pot. Q for quail, Q for quail, and Q for queen. R for rabbit, and R for ring. S for strawberry, S for strawberry, and S for sun. T for tiger, and T for train. U for umbrella, and U for utensils. V for violin, and V for van. W for wheel, W for window. X for x-ray, X for xylophone, and X for x-ray. Y for yacht, and Y for yawn. Z for zebra, and Z for zoo.